I'm Mark Mullins, speaking to you from the TAC, the Fluke Networks Technical Assistance Center. Today we're going to talk about cleaning multi-push-on MPO connectors, like this one right here. Now most commonly, when you're installing these connectors, you need to inspect them, and what you're going to find is like I've got here, dust. Got a lot of dust particles on that one. And that's pretty easy to clean using our quick clean cleaners. Just plug it in. Give it a couple of clicks, and then of course to make sure it's clean we need to inspect it. Now let's give it a couple more. Now sometimes that's not enough to get them clean. Say if you have a situation where there's any oil or fingerprints or a little more smudges on there. You can see this one's still not looking that good. So I'm going to show you a trick that they taught me for cleaning those. You want to use a wet cleaning, but the last thing you want to do is get solvent directly on the end of these because it's very, very difficult to clean off. So what we've learned is that you take your solvent pen with your cleaning cube, make a little dot of solvent like that, then touch your cleaning pen to the end of that, get just a little bit of it on there, and now I'm going to clean this off again. Let's see how that worked. And look at that, nice and clean, just the way you want it. Now we're ready to plug it in and get back to work. That's it, Mark Mullins from the TAC. Have a great day.